kasi babae ako.
Oh gosh. Ito nga, ko.
Nainay ni brother ko kasi
Mau ba to?
Nandito ako.
To?
And then dito. Ay, oo nga. The same sila. Ako yan. Hey, where are you? Kuya, where are you?
I don't want to be a girl.
Okay. Calm down. Let me change you.
Oy, I want to be a officer. Ako nang.
Okay, so guys, I'm just going to buy some the ice cream cone. I think the ice cream cone is gone. But there is. But I cannot.
Ay, ko na magayos. Dapat bacon yung buhok ha. Kasi I love bacon.
Uy, wag!
Hello, bacon boy. Palitin mo din yung mukha.
Wait, you're blocking my way. The clothes.
What's my outfit doing? But one thing, I don't have a dress.
Kuya! Get out my way! Paluin kita.
I don't need a Barbie like that. I'm a boy. Remove everything. I have the ice cream.
You have it myself.
Ako na nga. Dali na. Ayun na dito yung bag. O yung dress.
Here, my ice cream cone.
Ay, you're blocking me.
Wait lang.
Yeah.
Ano ka ba? What are you doing? Oh, it's so here. Wait, where are you going? You want something? Oh. Wait, I found the ice cream cone. I need to ride to my bike. Kuya, I think I'm up here. Kuya, I'm up here. Oo nga! Punta tayo sa airplane. Airplane tayo. Sige nga.
Kaya saan yung flower si Dedeli?
Ano ka ba? Andyan lang.
Maghanap. Ikaw
Ang
naglagay.
dito. Ihanapan mo dito. Okay. hanapan mo dito. Ito.
Tanggal yan.
Tanggal? Hindi kay boys yan.
Ikaw yun, tanggal yun.
Ito, ihanap mo
Eh,
dyan.
ito, ikaw naglagay niyan.
Ikaw, ihinapan.
Ikaw naglagay niyan. Di ikaw. Ikaw naghanap niyan.
Ito, tawagin mo si mama.
Eh, di, maghanap ako ng sariling bahay.
Naku.
Ay!
I will kill you. You!
I am not cute.
Ay, ikaw, salamat kasi. Tumahanap niya. Hindi na tayo magkita.
Hindi na tayo maging puti.
Hindi, kasi ayaw mo palit ako.
Hindi na tayo magkita. Hindi mo naman hinahanap yung flowers. Hindi, ikaw naglagay niya.
Why are you going about? No, I hate it. I don't know.